with your radio experience, like how do you think?
I think everybody in radio should die immediately.
It's a dying business, so
It's a-
then I think
It's a
dying
you
business.
you come from like that dying business, so you know about death a lot
Yeah.
more than
Yeah.
like
I see
we
it
do.
happening in real time.
Every day
Every
you
day.
see it.
Yeah.
It's a topic that's always frowned upon. You should
Yeah,
not bring
yeah,
it
yeah.
up. You're bringing the energy down and all. You
Yeah.
know, by discussing death.
Yeah.
But it's such an innate part of our life.
या मतलब मेरा तो पहला suicidal thought आया था जब मैं 9 साल का था तो I think I'm
Why do people get afraid of death?
yeah man
Like,
Also, old people, if you talk to, they are waiting on it every day. They are like, why doesn't it happen?
They're counting their days.
why do people
They
get
want it to
serious
happen.
about death? What is it, a comedy show? Why are you getting serious?
Hello and welcome to Who Died Today, India's biggest and funniest comedy podcast about death.
Second biggest.
second best also
Goal is to be the first.
टॉप तक पहुंचेंगे गजे.
Second के लिए aim करना चाहिए.
Second.
Always.
second के लिए aim करना चाहिए
क्योंकि
yeah,
first हमारा aim ही नहीं है.
On this panel we have the very funny Gajendra Goswami.
Damn funny. He killed in the recording yesterday.
Yeah,
He had a
models.
recording show. Funny guy from Rajasthan. Owns
Yeah.
a bunch of palaces and
in which people die and
camels and all.
Yeah. I've been humping those camels for a while now.
and they're all dead
Man, you're making no sense. Anyway, move on.
And our second guest on the panel today is the very funny Abhay Kumar.
I'm a chartered accountant and a comedian.
Bald guy also. Only bald guy on the.
It takes way more for us to be at a place like this because, looks are not happening, right?
no man I think he had hair he just shaved for the episode because someone died today
Someone died today.
Damn.
Well, I always go with the theme, is what
Fair
I say.
enough,
That's
fair
why I'm wearing my Mirchi shirt with the bald head today. Yes.
all right
And finally, our final guest for the episode is the very funny Akash Saraugi.
Resident Chachaji of the group.
Okay.
fuck you Gajendra man yeah man fuck you man just fucking die on the side
Side note, this is India's first comedy history podcast with no cuss words.
Second.
Second.
at least 2 cuss words
I think it's the first episode of second best
funniest podcast.
funniest history podcast.
But I think most importantly, it's a podcast about great people who've left a mark
yeah
in the history of
Yeah.
humanity.
Or not great people,
Or not
but
great.
have left a mark anyway.
मतलब
I don't think greatness has anything to do with morality. I think
Or
just
even
they were
if they
great,
haven't
great.
left a mark in the world history, they have left a mark in our hearts.
Damn.
एक मिनट हम कर क्या रहे इधर पहले
बहुत existential हो गया, bro. When he said, "हम कर क्या रहे हैं? What are we doing?" I thought
अच्छा,
you've gone into that because he mentioned that this is a podcast about people who died today.
Yeah, why are we talking about people who died? Why is it important?
Because that's the ultimate truth. Death is the ultimate truth, and we don't talk about it enough.
Also,
Talk
it doesn't
about-
matter how you came. It matters how you went.
Yeah.
I think it's a very interesting idea for podcast तो हम कर रहे हैं bro तो करेंगे बढ़िया idea
मैं तो मतलब I have too much free time. So
See, I'm a chartered accountant, so all my life people have come to me for life advice, and I've given life advice also. But death advice, no one has come and taken.
fair
Yeah.
enough,
Facts.
fair.
Yeah.
facts
And I am a student myself. Over here, I'm not an expert.
fair.
I'm learning about death myself.
True.
This is an educational podcast.
Every day we are dying a little.
Nobody can be an expert at death, because you only get to try that once.
Yeah, that's true. That's so on
what
point.
about
Yeah.
people who do autopsy and all
But they don't get to die, so they don't really get to experience
fair
it.
enough
So
so they are
experience
like
it.
expert in dead bodies not
Yeah. They have like a closest POV on that, but
So
Fair.
with your radio experience, like how do you think?
I think everybody in radio should die immediately.
It's a dying business. So
It's a
then I
dying-
think
It's a dying
dying
you
business.
you come from like that dying business, so you know about death a lot more than
Yeah.
like
I see
we
it
do.
happening in real time.
Every day
Every
you
day.
see it.
Yeah.
It's a topic that's always frowned upon. You should
Yeah,
not bring
yeah,
it up. You're bringing the energy down and all. You
Yeah.
know, by discussing death.
Yeah.
But it's such an innate part of our life.
या मतलब मेरा तो पहला suicidal thought आया था जब मैं 9 साल का था तो I think I'm
Why do people get afraid of death?
yeah man.
Like,
Also, old people, if you talk to, they are waiting on it every day. They are like, why doesn't it happen?
They're counting their days.
why do people
They
get
want it to
serious
happen.
about death? You know, what is it, a comedy show? Why are you getting serious? You know?
Hmm.
Recently, I went to 2 funerals. The only ones I've been to.
So 2 together one day or different days?
Oh, that would have been crazy, but
Yeah, you know, like you're a party goer, like, you know,
Yeah, I think
hopping
mostly
from
it's
one
only
funeral to the
podcast
other to the
it's
other.
like
to
funeral
the other.
hopping.
Yeah, dude.
It's weird because it's
Where were these funerals?
funeral back in my hometown.
Hometown.
And-
Oh,
yeah,
those
yeah,
ones are special, you know,
Those are
close to
special.
home. When
Those
you
are
like
special.
go
Also,
back home and you
किन
see.
किन का था?
एक तो मेरी नानी का ही था bro.
Oh,
What age? What age?
So she, I don't know, above 100
No,
definitely.
what was your age? I don't care.
my age? I was 28 only. Yeah.
Oh, recently.
Recent.
Recently,
Fucking
Oh,
Oh,
recent
yeah.
experience,
Yeah.
like a fresh experience.
Fresh.
yeah, except your nani is not.
उस वही जो पिछले वाले तो नानी का था और ये अभी को ज्यादा some relative which I had to go. Funny thing is, I had to replace my father to be in attendance. My father
Replace. अच्छा, अच्छा.
so he
Proxy,
couldn't- proxy for my father.
Oh.
And everybody's asking me at the funeral, where's your father? Where's your father? I'm like, he's coming on.
I'm the
way."
proxy.
Yeah, so your father was like, this death is not like
Is
that
that-
great.
not that
Food
great.
is also not that good on the side.
Why don't you attend
What
it
do
for me?
you? Is there something you like about like going to funerals since you've been to 2?
Oh,
almost
I
a
feel
pro?
like it's so hard to not laugh there. That's the only problem.
Oh, yeah.
Because you sit there and you know that you know these people, right? And you meet eyes with them,
Hmm.
right? And then तेरे दिमाग में और उसका एक अलग जोक चल रहा है बट तू उधर बोल नहीं सकता तो उधर यू हैव टू बी लाइक
You have to be sad.
Control.
yeah and meanwhile in the that is crazy because like there everybody just preparing to like take them right to the final place
हाँ.
resting ground
हाँ.
जो भी है बट वो कुछ लोग प्रेपरेशन में ही पूरा मग्न है लाइक दैट्स देयर हाई
Oh.
ठीक है some people are
Some people get a kick out of it.
yeah and some people get a kick out of crying like people because Rajasthan no so Rajasthan
What
party they
is-
are Rudalis right so everybody just I saw men crying like women just and like they have a switch where they're like entering the house they put their chappals out as soon as they enter the house they start crying
Wow.
but the carrying the body is a laboring task but
Were you carrying the body?
yeah
You were
on
a
my
pall bearer.
shoulders.
Pall bearer.
I was a pallbearer and my shoulders started hurting which is
Bro, come on, your nani must be like what, 55 kilos?
more bro
But look at his shoulders. They're
but
barely
it's also
there.
the weight of the thing that you're carrying that
Yeah, it's like the
Oh, yeah.
wooden plank.
lightweight earthy.
क्या बोलते हैं उसको पैलिंक्विन
हाँ,
पैलिंक्विन तो शादी में जाता है
palindrome.
अरे वो अलग होता है you know why I think people go to funerals so that other people come to their funeral after their
I think all funerals like are a good brand marketing thing for Ujala.
Now, a word from our sponsors.
ओए, क्या तेरे पास उजाला नहीं है क्या?
Fuck off, man.
आया नया उजाला चार बूंदों वाला
I was at my grandfather's funeral in Panipat. It was quite cool actually.
Yeah?
Yeah. Like I've never been in a convoy of 50 cars. I was like, fuck, feels like I'm a
What?
politician.
Fancy funeral?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
your grandfather was something important.
My grandfather was actually a very helpful man.
Ah.
Wow.
So,
So he suicided eventually.
oh.
He realized
I
the
mean,
world
it's
is
not-
shit.
Yeah.
You know, he was
Yeah.
helpful far too long. So a lot of people showed up. You know, they were like, "Oh, we met your grandfather here. We met your grandfather there."
Wow, that's
Yeah.
crazy, dude.
Yeah.
Do you? What was the last conversation you had with your grandfather, if you don't mind me asking?
I was like, I really want to just go to my cousins and play. You know, that was my. Yeah. He was like, "Don't go." I was like, "Please, let me. I just want to go." He was like, "Please don't go. Please don't." And I was like,
Wow.
"I'm going."
And then he went.
So next morning I was there at my cousin's, okay, because we played in the night, so I stayed there. Next morning I was there only all day. Then in the morning we got a call. We were like, he's missing. So like, okay, whatever, get me a chocolate on your way back home types, right? I didn't know it was like you know, he was very social guy. So I was like, okay, maybe he just wandered off to like meet someone types. Later they found like his body in pieces.
Wow.
Yeah, near the railway track. Okay, so like no one could identify him. So he had a tattoo in Urdu, but no one in my family could read Urdu. But he was from Pakistan side, so he knew. So he'd gotten an Urdu tattoo. So we called him Maulvi. The Maulvi basically picked up an arm and he was like, yeah, this is.
Is this your card?
So he's like, yeah, this says Ram Narayan. So
In Urdu?
yes, that was my
Wow,
grandfather's
that's
name. You know,
fucking crazy,
I know,
dude.
I know. He was very secular that way. You know,
Wow.
no wonder he suicided. Anyway, so
That's a positive note to
Yeah.
ask our next guest if he's been to any funerals.
Yeah, man, I went for my Parnani's funeral. And
What is a Parnani?
like my
Your Nani's Nani?
mother.
Nani's mother.
My Nani's mother-in-law. My Nana's mother.
That's still very
Nana's
old, bro.
mother,
Yeah,
yeah,
it's
she
very
was
damn
old.
old, yeah,
So nobody else in your family has died?
No, they have died. I've just not gone
Oh,
to
you-
the funeral.
Oh.
I'm like, that's one funeral I had gone. It was a lot of family was there. I wasn't wearing white and all. I was called कि हाँ आ जाओ अभी कल funeral है. मैं गया फिर वो उठाया उनका body फिर जलाया फिर घी भी डाला उसमें.
Do they do that for flavor or something else?
It burns faster.
Burns faster.
I don't talk about my Parnani.
Interesting thing happened at my Nani's funeral. When you go, जब लेके जा रहे होते हैं तो सिक्के उछालते हैं, फूल उछालते हैं, ठीक है. जब हम वापस आ रहे थे वही रास्ते से एक भी सिक्का नहीं था भैंचोद.
हाँ, that's why.
Oh, that's okay. Probably your nani got off and picked them up.
Yeah. Afterlife is expensive.
Yeah,
bro.
dude.
Although people start preparing for funerals even before the person has died, huh? So
Yeah,
you have to book
that's-
the
that's
land
true.
where they're going to be
Yeah,
buried.
yeah.
In our case,
Oh, yeah.
What do you mean your
You
case?
bury?
yeah, we bury.
What?
We're the only, I think, Hindu caste that
What?
buries.
That's
Bury?
crazy, dude.
Yeah.
What caste? What is this like?
This is Gosais, Goswamis. So we bury our dead. We don't burn our dead.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
fucking
It's
crazy.
No
dude.
idea.
Wow.
Yeah.
Is it like a coffin burial?
So hungry for land that they'll take
Do you
some
get-
even when they die.
Do they get coffin or do you just bury them?
No, you dress them up again full after their death. You
Dress them up in good
You
costume.
first everybody, they give them a bath. So everybody gives and puts some water on. Right. Meanwhile, fucking 50 men. If like a man has died, men will be preparing their clothes final. Right. And if a woman dies, woman is preparing her clothes. फिर कपड़े वपड़े पहना के एक पोस्चर में बिठाते हैं ऐसा आसन में. ठीक है. नाक में रुई डालते हैं ना, पूरा गहना वहना जो भी पहनाते हैं, कपड़ा वपड़ा पहनाते हैं, फिर फूल वूल डालते हैं. ठीक है. Then you put them in that palanquin. Then you carry them to the place where they're going to be buried. So that's usually like a kilometer, 2 away, wherever you are, whatever city you are or place you are in. और फिर वहाँ जाते हैं, फिर वहाँ जाके उनको खड्डे में डालते हैं. फिर
Khadda,
मतलब
मतलब like who digs it?
people already, like वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, the preparation goes on
Oh,
before.
अच्छा, it's not like a random khadda they found.
Yeah.
It's dug up at a
yeah,
certain.
yeah. If like somebody's died at 7 in the evening, then there are probably some 4 or 5 people who are digging this shit in the night so that the body can be taken.
And there's no box for the body.
There's no box.
It's there.
It's just
Is
there.
they wrapped in cloth?
They are fully clothed.
Clothed, like regular clothes.
Clothed, yeah.
No
regular
bubble
clothes.
wrap?
No bubble wrap. No bubble wrap. Yeah. Not fragile anymore. Yeah. When you put the palanquin नीचे बहुत भारी होता है तो 4-5
नीचे एक आदमी जाता है पहले, वो
पहले
बोलता है आप
नीचे एक आदमी
पकड़ाओ.
जाता है, हाँ 2 जन जाते हैं नीचे पकड़ाते
okay.
हैं. फिर मंत्र पढ़ते हैं, कुछ आग वाग लगाते हैं उधर, वो
फिर
करते हैं.
स्पीच, फ्यूनरल
ठीक है.
स्पीचेस,
फ्यूनरल स्पीच वगैरह कुछ नहीं.
सूट में आते हैं,
वही.
पीछे FBI देख रहा है सबको.
Photographers
Photographers फोटो खींच रहे हैं.
trying to get intel on the person who has died.
That brings us to the person who died today.
When I gave the order, they were ready. Now, in recent days, the whole world has learned just how ready they were.
The United States has the body of Osama bin Laden.
Navy SEALs went to the compound in the middle of the night in Pakistan and ultimately killed Osama bin Laden.
Tonight, I can report to the American people and to the world. The United States has conducted an operation that killed Osama bin Laden, the leader of Al Qaeda.
Osama bin Laden, guys. Any thoughts? What do you? Firstly, let me ask you one simple question. All right, where were you
When Osama
when
died,
Osama bin Laden died? I think everyone has some memory.
So
2011.
I was in school.
School.
I was in school.
2011.
I remember watching this on Aaj Tak. And my dad is very excited. And they were showing this animated footage of the soldiers jumping in. And they saw Osama's shadow. And apparently they caught him wanking off and all, right? But Aaj Tak didn't cover that part very well. So
yeah, there was on.
So you had to go to another
And he
source.
had
I had
like
to go
what,
to
how
another
many
source.
wives with him, and he still had to wank off. So
Nobody was alone in his like.
see,
death
at the end
days.
of the day, he was an engineer at heart, bro.
oh, true.
Yeah, they
So-
also found tons of like porn CDs. Like this is what I read in the news. Nobody
Which
knows.
is okay. You don't have to judge his character
Yeah,
for that. You know,
yeah,
he's done much
I
other
mean,
worse
that's
stuff.
not the
you know.
worst thing that
Yeah.
he's done.
Yeah.
I remember, it was such a beautiful sight. All these strong American soldiers coming down from the helicopter casually, just landing in his house. That's so cool, dude. And then knocking the doors over and, just shooting him. That was like quite enjoyable.
That
Yeah,
was
I
like
was-
Uri
It's-
before Uri. It felt like an action movie that they were.
Oh, it felt like an action movie. Yeah.
Found
yeah.
found footage action movie.
Yeah, yeah.
My favorite part was when like all these soldiers came together and they were singing "Kadmon se kadme milte." Hain." that was my favorite part.
I don't think I've seen the footage, but you have seen the footage.
You haven't
Yeah,
seen the
yeah.
footage?
No, never.
Pretty crazy.
I
dude.
mean, they don't
crazy.
show like so. Basically, these should we play the footage, man?
Yeah, we can play the footage. All right, we are
Yeah.
playing the footage.
Osama bin Laden huddled in a blanket and ski cap, holding a remote control, watching television news coverage of himself. The video, one of 5 released today by the U.S. government. This is another practice session in front of a wrinkled sheet that may have been draped to hide the background. And here's a clip showing an Al Qaeda blooper of sorts. Bin Laden with a false start and a
B-roll.
take 2. Officials did find what seems to be
They got B-roll of
Bro,
Osama.
I just feel
This guy was serious, dude. He was that. He'd
Yeah.
probably learned this in Oxford, where they're like, practice in front of the camera 7 times before you actually do it.
Yeah,
So
my
this
whole thing
guy,
is like
yeah.
he definitely works harder than me. I'm inspired.
He's the best in the biz. So
How do you reach the top without a little bit of rehearsal,
So,
practice?
what I like is that he's a makeup guy for sure because the symmetry in his beard is
It's
like,
too perfect.
crazy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
too perfect.
Yeah, that's also true. Also, like he knows color theory quite well.
White on black.
And the background is done very well, and like it's shot overall. I would say 10 on 10 for the shoot.
Yeah.
Got some professionals working for him for sure.
Yeah.
But to be honest, man, like I kind of feel a bit disappointed. I thought like it was just extremely natural, like he would just come in front of the camera. And now that I see him rehearse and all, I feel like maybe not that great. Like he's like one of us only. That makes him relatable, but
Yeah. Actually, like if someone is rehearsing, how bad can they be?
Guys, everyone has flaws.
fair enough.
Everyone has flaws. Everyone goes through bad days and good days.
Yeah. I think he gets a bad rep for, well, for obvious reasons,
Yeah.
but so in this next segment, we will be talking about whether we're glad or not that this particular person has died today. And we'll start by rating their death. So, guys, how would you all rate Osama bin Laden's surprise assassination?
good 5 on 10, I think.
5 on strong,
Yeah,
strong, 5 on 10?
strong 5 on 10. Because there's some action there. They had to cross physical, geographical boundaries.
Yeah.
Had to be quiet about it.
If I was Osama, I would say that death is like fucking 9 on 10. One, it's a surprise. I didn't see it coming. I was not waiting for it for years. I was just watching myself on news, indulging in a little bit of narcissism, and now I'm dead. So for Osama, it's like 9 on 10. One, I'm giving minus because he didn't get to say goodbye to his family. That's something that everyone wants to. Maybe he yelled goodbye before dying. Maybe that he did something like that.
Yeah.
Like we don't know because of the grainy footage and all. But 9 on 10 for sure. But from my POV, I'm like, fuck, this guy should have been, He was let go very
Too
easily.
easy.
Yeah.
3 on 10. Just like a very random assassination for Osama. For me, like it should have been proper. Like there were other buildings he was about to crash into. He was in a fighter plane. Then Tom Cruise jumps in the middle. I think that should have been like Mission Impossible 9/11 of
Yeah.
sorts. And and then like he shoots him, then he falls down.
Yeah.
And then like he crashes into the water and dies. I think that should have been a more Osama death. It was like just shot at the side.
You think they had-
Watching TV, man. Who wants to be disturbed while watching?
watching TV? Yeah, that was a little bit rude.
Yeah, man. I mean, they were they also found porn footage and like porn and all. That's just
Yeah,
invasion
now you're
of
going
privacy.
you're going through his personal belongings. Now.
Yeah, what's this shit?
What if he was watching America's Got Talent before he died, and he's like, man,
Yeah, man.
These guys slap.
He's still waiting for his call for dancing Dancing with the Stars. You know? He's like, I ruined that opportunity,
Flying
I
with the
guess.
stars,
You know?
Yeah.
now he's dancing with the stars.
Yeah.
Okay, I would rate Osama's death as a possibly. Can we go in decimals?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I would give it because I think we are going to explore a lot more deaths, so don't want to give it a I think 5.6. I'll give it a 5.6, closer to you. Also closer to you, but I think 3 is too less because firstly, I think it's one of the most spectacular televised deaths. So at least we got a streaming of this, better than, oh, someone has died and here's the funeral footage. You're seeing the actual, while the event is happening, but there is no funeral footage. So I'm taking the points away for that. Ki, okay, good they died, but show me the, the rest of it. Show me the body. Show
They
me
didn't
how-
want to do his last rites.
Yeah,
They
didn't.
felt it was wrong to do his
Yeah.
last rites. He was thrown off from a ship into the ocean with some weight.
Should have at
Sorry,
least-
that was Breaking Bad.
Osama, every time Osama books a flight, they're like, sir, we had to cancel. तुम्हें अपना plane लेके जाऊंगा. नहीं, sir. Business class. We have upgraded you.
Yeah, I wonder if Osama ever flew SpiceJet. I think.
I don't know.
Highly inefficient. Osama is an efficient guy.
वो बिल्डिंग से पहले से पहुंचने ही फट जाएगा.
हाँ.
बिल्डिंग तक रुकेगा.
Osama is like, this airplane is not safe enough for me.
ओसामा 9/11 करने का ट्राई कर रहे हैं, 10/11 हो गया है. लोग खड़े एयरपोर्ट पे लड़ाई कर रहे हैं लोग.
चलो एक रील तो निकल गया. Okay, but so Osama was buried at sea, by the way. Very interesting, I think.
Buried at sea,
Yeah,
yeah.
because no land, no nation wanted his ashes.
No. They didn't want any nation to have, because if they have the ashes,
Oh, because the nation would then
he
use
will
it as a
be-
symbol.
Yeah, he'll be celebrated. He'll be considered
wow.
martyred.
Crazy,
He'll be.
You Americans really think about shit.
It was
all the way
Obama,
through.
bro. It takes like.
One black guy to solve all the problems.
Wow.
Dude, don't say that.
And they
is
still
black.
buried him according to Islamic funeral practices.
How? Like, they threw him in the sea, no?
Yeah, but why exactly?
That's the practice.
Wow, man. There are like, suddenly like 5 people have been called. Hey guys, do you want to do an underwater gig or what?
Eulogy time. Any, now that we've gone through this emotional experience of
Would you
talking
like to
about
say-
one of the greats. Let's not disagree that he was one of the greats at something very bad, but nobody really did it better than Osama bin Laden.
There has never
the
been
scale
another one.
wasn't
Yeah.
Genghis Khan, but that like he's way in the past.
Bro, you are Genghis Khan's kid. I am Genghis Khan's
Yeah,
kid.
let's not talk about our great
about-
grandfathers
I'm
like
sorry,
that.
I'm sorry.
Our ancestors,
Sorry, I'm
let's
sorry,
respect
I'm
them.
sorry, I'm
But Osama, dude, like one of the greats.
Osama is probably also Genghis Khan's kid.
Oh yeah, there must
Could
be
be,
some.
could,
Yeah,
could,
yeah, for
could.
sure.
So
Brother.
he's like our brother in
He's
that
like
sense.
our
Kind of
brother.
related.
Well, kind of related.
Yeah.
Fuck, that sucks.
Osama.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So that's one funeral I couldn't attend.
Okay, so since we are all related to Osama bin Laden,
Some way, in some weird
here's
way.
here's if we were to pay our tributes, let's do a eulogy if you are all in.
But what's the eulogy that they went with? निकाल फेंक इसको
I
इधर
don't
से.
think there was a eulogy for.
So
eulogy.
his son had a eulogy where he was
for-
like, "मेरे को visa दे दो, United States of America का."
I felt like Osama, I mean, all guys that try to do all these big things to impress their father, obviously. So you didn't have to try that hard. I mean, of course, we all crumble under pressure, and so did you. But now that you're the dead man, I think we can let it go.
Yeah. Yeah, I think the world needs
Yeah,
more
closure.
Yeah, it needs closure. It needs, I think, Osama, while we all know that people died and, he wasn't a good man. He wasn't a good man. He was probably not a great husband either.
That I don't know. I don't judge.
I mean, I'm not judging, but
Horrible engineer.
Horrible
Probably.
engineer.
Horrible engineer कहाँ से?
Probably.
Because he broke buildings.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
Engineer is supposed to fix them.
Yeah, and he was civil.
No, that's not.
In
he
no
was a
way.
great
he was not
like,
civil at all.
He set out to achieve what he wanted to do.
Oh, Osama,
Okay, so
Osama
yeah.
wasn't a great man, but I think the world needs more evil so that the good can stand out.
Yeah, in a world where
Right.
we have so less
That's so true.
so
Yeah.
many less heroes, we need more villains.
Yeah, because
So the heroes come
Yeah.
to the rescue.
for every Osama there is an Obama.
Damn,
Right.
son. Yeah. He was a Muslim, right? So
He
उसके
died.
funeral में खाना तो बहुत अच्छा होगा.
He died.
Right?
Yeah.
Some
Also,
great ghost.
yeah, great sevai, great biryani. Yeah. Just saying.
तो ओसामा बिन लादेन ने जो भी किया अपने लाइफ टाइम में, जैसे भी उसने अपनी लाइफ निकाली, है ना, जनरेशनल गैप था. बचपन से मैं छोटा था, वो बहुत बड़े थे. बचपन से मैं कहता रहा कि मत करो टेररिज्म, उन्होंने बोला नहीं मैं यही करना है. अफगानिस्तान के पत्थरों में इधर उधर घूम रहे हैं अकेले, है ना, इस एज में भी जो भी. तो मेहनती थे, जो करते थे दिल लगा के करते थे, है ना. एंड इवन अमेरिकन्स कांट डिनाई दैट. बट जो किया वो मुझे पसंद नहीं आया.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
But
जैसे
you
कि-
should not judge the dead by their actions.
Yeah.
True.
You should judge the dead by how much money they leave you after. And he left me none. So
even though he was our relative.
Yeah.
he can go fuck himself.
Yeah.
Wow.
Fuck Osama. If you're still listening to this podcast, drop us a comment below. Share this podcast with your friends, and definitely tell us whose death you would like us to talk about in the next episode. And also, what are some fun ways to die that you would like us to discuss? Thanks for listening. What nonsense! You know what the Navy SEALs did after they killed him?
They sealed it.